In today's video I will teach you how to download Linux Ubuntu and install it on your computer in a simple way. Let's start the video. I will search by typing Ubuntu download in Google. I will open the first website. Click on desktop option. Clicking on it will download the Ubuntu 22.04 ISO file. Clicking on it will download the ISO file of Ubuntu 23.04. For legacy BIOS, clicking here will download the legacy BIOS supported ISO file. Download has started. This is the downloaded Ubuntu ISO file.
Then you need to download Rufus. Download. Double-click Rufus to open it. Click on Select option. Select the ISO file and open it. Click on Start. OK. The ISO file will be copied to the pen drive and become bootable. Press F12 for boot menu. Select pen drive. Press Enter.
Choose Try or Install Ubuntu option. Press Enter. Choose your language. Next. Install Ubuntu. Next. Choose keyboard layout. Next. If there is a wired or LAN connection, it should be selected. It will show if there is a Wi-Fi device. You can connect it if necessary. If you don't want to connect to the internet, you have to select it. Next, I have to select normal installation. But, if you don't want to install Ubuntu with full packages, select minimal installation. Tick mark on install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. It's helped to install all driver softwares. You may or may not tick download and install support for additional media formats option. It will not be a problem. Next, I have to select Erase Disk and Install Ubuntu option. But doing this will completely delete the hard disk data forever. But if you want, you can install Ubuntu by creating a manual partition. Next, nothing needs to be done here. Install. Select your time zone. Next, set your username and password very carefully. By default required my password to log in option is enabled. It means password will be required while logging into the system, but I disable it in this case. Next, choose your theme, if you want to. Next, installation has started. It will take some time for the installation to complete. Restart now. Remove your pen drive, press enter to restart your computer. After restarting, the Ubuntu operating system installation completed.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.